So today is our second session, evening batch. Okay. Yeah. So now in the last session, we have discussed what is data, how data is stored, that means in which format data is stored, where the data is stored, we have seen. So what is data? Is a collection of information. Data is stored in the form of tables, correct? Data is stored in the form of tables or files. Let's discuss the tables first. So now what is a table? What is the table is? Table means collection of rows and columns. Collection of rows and columns. So you no need to write any notes. I will give the notes. Just understand carefully. Just listen and understand carefully. That's it. Okay. Now, where this table stored? In database. Correct? Yes, please. In database, these tables are stored. Yes, guys. Understanding everyone? So data is collection of information. Data will be stored in the form of tables. Table is called a collection of rows and columns. These tables will be database. But actually, database is a collection of schema. Database is a collection of schema. Okay. So what is that schema? We'll see. See here, we have a database. Suppose we have a database. Let's take Oracle database. So what are the database servers we know? What are the database servers? Oracle database, SQL Server database, MySQL, Teradata. Okay, MySQL, Teradata. Next, Teradata, Greenplum. Yes, please. These are all the popular databases. And DB2 also database. DB2. These are the popular databases we know. Okay. Now, any database, first database is collection of schemas. Database is a collection of schema. Suppose this is a database. In this database, I have schema 1, schema 2, schema 3. In this database, I have schema 1, schema 2, schema 3. Under each schema, we have different tables. So now database is a collection of schema. Schema is collection of tables. Schema will hold the different tables. Schema will be inside database. Directly you cannot create a table. If you want to create a table, you have to create in schema. First, you should install database. After that, you should create a schema. After that, you should create the tables inside the schema. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? So, database is a collection of schema. Schema is a collection of tables. What does the database means? Database is a collection of schema. Collection of schemas, or it's called schema. Schema is a collection of tables. Collection of database objects called tables. Table is a collection of rows and columns, correct? Yes, please. Collection of rows and columns. Understanding? So, a table is table present in schema, schema present in database. If you want to create a table, first you should create a schema. Under schema, you can create n number of tables. Under database, you can create n number of schema. Are you clear, please? What is a schema? Are you clear? Now, you should learn, if you want to learn Informatica, first you should learn Oracle. Any database, at least one database tool you should learn. One database server you should learn. So now, if you learn Oracle database, you can easily work on these also. You can easily work on, because the commands of Oracle will be the same as these things. So first, now we will discuss about Oracle database. Oracle database contains, Oracle is a database. It contains two parts, SQL and PLSQL. SQL, PLSQL. Now we are all learning Oracle database, how to work on Oracle database. So Oracle contains two parts, SQL, PLSQL. SQL means, SQL means structured query language. Structured query language. PLSQL means procedural language. Structured query language. Procedural language, structured query language. To learn Informatica, SQL is enough. If you know PLSQL, that will be added advantage. But now we are learning today Oracle SQL. To get a job on Informatica, Oracle SQL commands are required. We should learn how to work with Oracle SQL, and we should learn Oracle SQL commands. Oracle SQL commands. Oracle, there are, in English, there are ABCDs. Like that, we have ABCDs in Oracle. What are those? We have several types of commands. DDL command, DDL command, DML command, DDL commands, DML commands, okay, and TCL commands, TCL commands, DQL commands, DCL commands. So now in SQL, the basic things you need to learn. If you want to learn Oracle, you must know these things first. You must know. What are the things you must know? DDL commands, DML commands, TCL commands, DQL commands, DCL commands. What are there in DDL commands? What is DDL means? Data definition language. Data definition language. Under data definition language, you will get create table statement, alter table statement, drop table statement, rename table statement, and truncate table statement. This is called data definition language. Next one is data manipulation language. Data manipulation language. In this, you will get insert, update, delete statements. TCL means transaction control language. Transaction control language. Transaction control language means you will be having commit command, commit, and rollback. Commit, rollback. DQL commands means data query language. Data query language, that means that select statement. The last one is data control language. Data control language. These things will be grant and revoke. So now we should learn all these commands. We should learn first. To start with Oracle, we should learn these commands. Understanding? Everyone? Save point is not required. Okay, save point is not required. Leave it. Did you understand, please, everyone? Are you clear? So, Oracle contains two parts. Oracle contains two parts, that is SQL and PLSQL. So, now we should learn first SQL. To get a job into Informatica, SQL is very important. To get a job into Informatica, SQL is very important. Okay, to work with Informatica, you must know the database server knowledge. At least one database server knowledge we require. At least one database knowledge, one database server knowledge we require. What is that is? That is Oracle SQL. Okay. Now we will learn Oracle SQL. Oracle SQL consists of 5 types of commands, and there are many other commands also. The basic commands we should learn: DDL commands, DML commands, TCL, DQL commands, DCL commands. So these are the commands we know. Okay, fine. Now, I want to create a table. if you want to create a table, first you have to create a schema. How to create a schema? If you want to create a schema, you should install two things. If you want to work with Oracle, you must install below two. You must install below things. What are those? You must install below things. What are those? You must install Oracle database server, and you must install Oracle SQL developer. I think you might have already installed this, correct? You might have already installed this. Yes or no, please? Oracle database server and Oracle SQL developer, you might have already installed. Now, you have to launch Oracle SQL developer. Before you open Oracle SQL developer, you have to check the Oracle services. You have to check whether Oracle services are running or not. How to check? Search with services here. Search with services, open. Search with services and open. Once you open it, now scroll down for Oracle services. Scroll down for Oracle services. If you see, there are 5 Oracle services are available. Oracle Job Scheduler XC, Oracle MTR Recovery Service, Oracle Service XC, Oracle XCCLR Agent, Oracle XC TNS Listener. These things you must start. In this, first one is not required. That will be in disabled status. Leave it. The next 4, Oracle MTR Recovery Service should be in running status. Oracle Service XC should be running in status. Oracle XCCLR Agent should be in running status. Oracle TNS Listener will be in running status. So what you have to do now, if check whether these are running or not. If they are running, then leave it. Otherwise, you have must. Suppose this is not running. This is not running. You should right click on it, click on start. When you click on start, it will start again. Otherwise, it will be runtime. In real time, what to do, we'll see later. In real time, what we will do, we'll see later. First, understand here first. We are learning very basics. To understand what real time people will do, first you need to understand the basics. First, you need to understand the basics. Yes, please. Okay. So, first, you understand the basics. You understand the basics first. Okay. Now, okay. So, what I'm trying to say is, first check whether these 4 services are running or not. If they are running, leave it. If they are not running, then you should start the services. Then you should start the services. Once you start, then wait for 2-3 minutes. Once you start, then wait for 2-3 minutes. And now launch Oracle SQL Developer. On the desktop, you might have one shortcut called SQL Developer shortcut. One shortcut called SQL Developer shortcut. Okay, you must double click on it. You must double click on it. Then it will launch Oracle SQL Developer. It will launch Oracle SQL Developer window. It will launch Oracle SQL Developer window. Okay. Once the Oracle SQL Developer, okay, is launched, then what is there in it? In the Oracle SQL Developer, now check it please. We have, this is title bar, this is menu bar, this is toolbar, this is toolbar, okay, this is toolbar, and this is navigation window, this is workspace window. We have one more window called output window. This is one more window called output window. Okay, just a second. Yes, please. Yeah, okay. So the first one is called title bar. This is menu bar. This is, sorry, 1 second, please. Yeah. Okay. This is what? This is title bar. This is menu bar, toolbar. Left side window is called navigation window. This window is called workspace window. This window is called output window. This window is called output window. Yes, please. Understanding? Everyone? Now, in this, if you see, this is the Oracle database. In the Oracle database, we have many schemas here. In your system, you might have 2, 3 schemas, but I have created many schemas. Okay, I have many schemas here. First, see under each schema, you have different tables. See, please. Under each schema, we have different tables. So first, if you want to create a table, first you need to create a schema. First, you need to create a schema. How to create a schema? Where to create a schema? We'll see now. Okay? How to create a schema? Where to create a schema? We should see now. Understood, everyone? So you have to check the Oracle services. You have to check the Oracle services. Then you have to launch. Then you have to launch. Yes, please. Then you have to launch this Oracle SQL Developer. Then now you have to create a schema. Yes, please. Then you have to create a schema. How to create a schema? To create a schema in your SQL Developer, you have a sys user. Are you seeing at last sys user? Are you seeing sys user at last? Yes, please. Yeah. So this sys user, you need to open it and you need to create a schema now. Okay. So click on this plus symbol first. In your system, if you install Oracle SQL server, Oracle database server, you must have this. You must have this. User is a system schema. User is this sys is created by Oracle system itself. Oracle system itself. If you want to create a schema, you must create in here. You must create in here. Yes, please. Yeah. Click on this plus symbol. Click on this plus symbol. 1 second, please wait. 1 second, please wait. Just a second, please wait. Just a second, please. Yes. Okay. So now before you create a table, we should create a schema first. How to create? Open SQL Developer. Open SQL Developer. Then click on this sys. Come to sys. Click on this plus symbol. Once you click on this plus symbol, then sys will open here. Sys will open here. Now you have to write a command to create a user. So now what we are doing, number one, create a schema or user. Schema or user we will call. We will call it as a schema or user in Oracle SQL Developer. In Oracle SQL Developer, we have to create a schema or user in Oracle SQL Developer. How? You have to decide a schema name. Schema name can be anything. Schema name can be anything. For a meaningful name, I am giving a schema name called like this. See, I am writing a command, create user, create user. User means schema. Schema name. That is OTSRC dev 14. I am giving some name. You can give your name, my name, any name. But I am giving a name and I am writing identified by password. Identified by password. So I am creating a user or a schema. My username or a schema name is OTSRC dev 14. Password is admin, small admin. Are you clear? Everyone understanding? Everyone understanding, please? So my schema name is OTSRC dev 14 and the password is admin and the password is admin. Why the password I will tell you. Please wait. So you have to write like this and you have to write two more commands. Give a semicolon at last. Now you write grant all privileges to. Now you write grant all privileges to. Okay, name should be in that format only. No, name can be in any format. This name can be anything. I given this name, that's it. Okay. Grant all privileges to. Grant all privileges to. Grant all privileges to user OTSRC dev 14 and grant DBA to OTSRC dev 14. So you have to write 3 lines now. To create a schema called OTSRC dev 14, you must write these lines. What is this? Create user. You are creating a user or schema with the name OTSRC dev 14 identified by the password admin, and I am giving all privileges to this user and I am giving grant DBA. So now what to do? So each line should be ended by the semicolon. Select this and execute it. This is the execution button. This is run button. See, OTSRC dev 14 created. Select this, executed, grant succeeded. Select this, execute, grant succeeded. Are you clear, please? Understanding? So I created a schema, but that schema is not available here, right? See, are you seeing OTSTG dev 14? Are you seeing OTSTG dev 14 here anywhere? Sorry, OTSRC dev 14 are you seeing? Are you seeing what is DBM is? DBM is database administrator. You no need to understand these two lines. You can write, you can run all commands at a time. You can run all commands also at a time. Okay, or one by one also. So once you create a schema, you should configure it. That should be visible here. That should be visible here. How? Click on the plus button. Click on this new connection button. Green plus button, when you click, it will ask name, username, password. Name will be your schema name, that is OT, SRC, dev 14, and username also same. Password is admin, and then whatever the password you given, the same password you give to here. Whatever the schema name you given, the same schema name you must give here. Understanding everyone? Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. Once you create a schema, what you have to do? Once you create a schema, click on this plus button, give name as OTSRC dev 14, username as OTSRC dev 14, password as admin, whatever the password you given, the same case you give it, save password, test. Once you test, it will show succeeded here, success. Once you test, it will show success here. Yes, please. Then connect. Then connect. See here. Is it connected? Is it connected? Yes, please. Now see here. Is it connected? Now my Oracle schema with the name OTSRC Dev 14 is created. OTSRC Dev 14 is created. Under this, we don't have any tables. These are all under schema. We have database objects. We have tables, views, indexes, packages, procedures, functions. Okay, functions. So these are all called database objects. Table is one of the database object. So you need to create a table now. Now you need to create a table. Before you creating a table, you must create a schema. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Understood, everyone? Are you clear? Yes? Now, once you create a schema, we should create a table. Okay. Okay. We can create schema only under sys. Yes. You have to create schema only under sys. Only under sys. I'll give this video to you. You can watch again. You can watch again. What is grant all privileges that is not required? We'll see that later. Whichever is required, we'll explain. These are not required. We'll see later. Okay. So I'll give this video. Till 10 videos you will get it. Till 10 videos you will get it. What is the meaning of OT SRC? Order tables, source, development. Order tables, source, development. We'll see that later. Please wait. Once you create a schema now, your schema is ready. You have to create a table. So now, how to create a table? So what is a table means? What is a table means? Collection of rows and columns, correct? Table is a collection of rows and columns. Yes or no, please? Table is a collection of rows and columns. 1 second. One minute, please. Wait. Yeah. So suppose this is a table. This is the table. Yeah. The horizontal lines are called rows or records, correct? The horizontal lines are called rows or records. Rows or records. The vertical lines are called fields or columns. Now first, you should decide a table name. Before you create a table, you must decide a table name. My table name is students, suppose. My table name is students. Once you decide the table name, you should decide the column names inside it. You should decide the table definition or table structure. Table definition or table structure. Table structure. Table definition or table structure. You must decide. Fine. In students table, I will be having student ID, student name, marks, city. These are the columns I want. This is called table structure. What is this? This is called table structure. Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? So my table is having 4 columns. What are the 4 column names? My 4 column names are student ID, student name, marks, city. Student ID, student name, marks, city. Now, you should create a table first. The table name is students and you must have 4 columns in it. Okay. Normally, ID, student number or ID. What you will allow? You will allow numbers, correct? Student ID must have numbers. So you should give the data type. Number of 5 means if I give number of 5 for student ID, that means student ID should contain maximum 5 digits or 3 I'll give. Student ID 3. Student ID can contain maximum 3 digits. Maximum 3 digits. Student ID can contain maximum 3 digits. Okay. So maximum 3 digits means what? Maximum 3 digits means what does that mean? Maximum 3 digits means? What does that mean? Maximum 3 digits means it will allow 0. It can be 1, 2, 3. It can be 4, 5, 6. It can be 999. It can be 45 like this. It can allow only 3 digits. It will allow only 3 digits. Number of 3 means it will allow 3 digits. If you give number of 5, it may allow 5 digits. It may give number of 10, it will allow up to 10 digits. Student name. Student name will be characters, correct? Student name will be characters. So there is a data type called varchar2 50. So student name can contain characters up to 50 characters. I can write Raj, Ram, Ramesh, Divya, Ramya, Divya, Ramya like this. I can create the table. I can create the like this. I can create the names of the students. Names of the students up to 50 characters. Now marks. Marks will be in decimal points. I will give number 5, 2. Number 5, 2 means I can write like this. Okay. I can write like this. I can write like this. What is number 5, 2? I will tell in some time. Now city, varchar to 100 suppose. City can be up to 100 characters. City can be up to 100 characters. 100 characters means varchar 2 is a data type. Varchar 2 is a data type in Oracle. Varchar 2 is a data type in Oracle. Understanding everyone? Are you clear? Understanding? Varchar 2 is a data type in Oracle. Okay, you should give varchar 2 only. So you can give varchar also, but we are discussing normally, we will use varchar 2. Varchar 2 is a advanced version of varchar. Varchar 2 is a advanced version of varchar. Okay. Now, city. City can be Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Goa, Mysore, like this. So first, number 5, 2. What is number 5, 2 means? Number 5, 2 means total number of digits. Total number of digits should be 5. Before 2 dots, before 2 digits, dot should be present. Dot should be present. Are you clear? Dot should present. That means total number of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. Before that decimal point should be there. It will allow number of 5, 2 means it will allow 0, 10 it will allow, 100, 25, 25.1, 25.24, 100.12 or 999.99. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Understood? Suppose if I give number 8, 3. What is number 8, 3 means? The total digit should be 8. Okay? The total digit should be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this, below 3 before 3 dots, dot should be there. Up to this number it will allow 0 to up to this number it will allow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to this number it will allow. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Everyone, are you clear? Understanding? Yes, please. Yeah. Are you clear? If there is no digit after dot, also not a problem. But maximum it will allow this much. But maximum it will allow this much. Are you clear? Everyone understanding? Yes, please. So now first what we have to do, we should create a table structure. how to create a table structure. I am closing everything and I am starting from first. If you want to create a table, you already created a schema. First, open SQL Developer. Before opening SQL Developer, you must start the services. You must check the services. Once you start the services, what you have to do? Open SQL Developer. 6, 2 means total number of digits 6. Before 2 digits dots. Before 2-digit dot. Okay. So it will open like this. Now click on the plus in the navigation window. In the navigation window, click on this plus button, OT-SRC Dev 14. Click on it. Okay. OT-SRC Dev. What happened to this? Dev 14, right? Sorry. Yeah. Once you click on it, a workspace window will open. You no need to add the services. It should automatically come. Restart your system. You might have seen the services. Restart your system. You might have seen the services. Okay. So now you click on this. Now you need to write a create table statement. How to write? See, please. Create. Now the next one is, so how to create a schema? To create a schema, this is the one, right? Create user, OT, SRC, Dev 14, identified by admin. This is how. Now next, grant all privileges to OT, SRC, Dev 14, then grant DBA to OT, SRC, Dev 14. This is what you created. Done. Number 2 now, all in capital not required. It can be in small also. It can be any case. Now, to create a table in Oracle SQL, to create a table structure or definition, to create a table structure or definition in Oracle SQL. How? Okay, how? You need to write it, create table statement. Create table name. Table name is students. Create table name. Open and close the brackets. Now, what are the columns I want? Student ID. It can be number of 3. My requirement is like this. Number of 3. Next is student name, varchar to 50. Student name, varchar to, 1 second please wait. Student name, varchar to 50. So I am writing student name as varchar to 50. After that, okay, next one is, what is the next column? What is the next column? Marks, number 5, 2. Next column is marks, number 5, 2. Number 5, 2. Comma, next one is city. City is varchar to 100. City, varchar to 100. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? So this is how you need to create a table and put a semicolon at last. Create table name, create table name, student ID, that should be number of 3. It can be anything, number of 10, 20 also you can write. Student name, varchar to 50 or 100, whatever you want, you can write. Marks, number of 5, 2, and this is how we will write. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Yes, please. Clear about it? Now, put a semicolon at last. Execute it. Now, table is created. Is the table is created? Underscores is compulsory, not compulsory. See, you cannot give a space. If I give student stid, it is not readable correctly. Instead of space, I am giving underscore. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear? Yes, please. So now, table students is created. If this is created, how to see the table? Now, how to see the structure of a table? Next command is difference between varchar and varchar2 both are same. Varchar2 is a advanced version of varchar. Varchar2 is the advanced version of varchar. So you can use anything, both are same. You can use anything, both are same. Yes, please. Yeah. So can you use any other symbol? Normally we will use underscore. Normally we will use underscore. Okay. Yes, please. Are you clear? You should not use any you can use, but normally we'll use underscore. Normally we will use underscore. Yes, please. Everyone, are you clear how to create a table? How to create a table? Are you clear, please? This is how you need to create a table. Now, how to see the table structure or definition in Oracle SQL? There is a command called DESC or describe table name. Describe table name. Execute it. It will show, if you see here, it will show student ID, number, student name, varchar. Semicolon is compulsory? Yes. Better use a semicolon. Better use a semicolon. Better to use a semicolon. Yes, please. Yeah. Okay. Understanding? Yes, guys. Are you clear? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? So now, to see the structure of a table, you can give describe or DSC, both are same. Describe or DSC, both are same. Or if you want to see at the left side, see, still table is not created. See here, the table is created. Disconnect and connect. You can see the table here. See, students table is created with 4 columns. So how to see the structure? DSC student name or describe student name. DSC table name or describe table name. Are you clear, please? What is null? We'll see later. What is null? We'll see later. What is null? We'll see later. Okay. Describe table name. Now, suppose everything is okay. If you want to see the number of records in a table, if you want to see the records or data from a table, records or data from a table. How to see the records or data from a table is select star from. Okay, select star from. So how to write? You have to write select star from. Select star means all columns. Select all columns from table name. In this, we don't have any records still. We have only 4 columns. That is student ID, student name, marks, city. Yes or no, please? Yes, guys? Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear? Everyone? Are you clear, please? So, to see the number of records present in a table, you must use select all columns from the table name. Select all columns from the table name. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Yes, please. Describe means to see the structure of a table. DESC means it will give only column names. In a structure, data type, everything. Structure means column names, data types, everything. If you want to see the data inside it, rows inside it, there are no rows still. There are 0 records. That's why select star from students. Understanding? Select star from. Star means all columns. Star means all columns. Are you clear, please? Everyone? Understanding? Clear about it? Are you clear? Yes, guys. Now, I want to insert the data into it. I want to insert this kind of data into it. I want to insert, suppose student ID is 100. I want to insert this kind of data. How to insert the data into table? Semicolon is compulsory. Yes, better use a semicolon. Yes, it is not compulsory, but use it. But use it. It will be useful. Yes, please. Column number 9. What don't require? 1 second, please wait. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. So this is how we need to create a table. Now I want to insert the data into it. I want to insert the data into it. If you want to insert the data into it, so to see the number of records present in the table, select star from table name. Select star from table name. Next one is, if you want to, next one is to insert the records into the table. To insert the records into table. Insert the records into the table. How? How to insert the records into the table? Records into the table. How to insert the records into the table? How? Please see. You can write insert into statement. You should write like this. You should write insert into table name. Insert into table name. Then column names. Just column names to write open bracket student ID, comma student name, comma marks, comma city, values, comma city, values. What are the values? Okay, student ID should be 100. 100 you write it. Student name is varchar2 data type. That's why you should write in the single quotes. Name should be written in single quotes. Name should be, why? Because student name is a varchar data type. If it is a varchar data type, you must put in the single quotes, comma marks. Suppose 999.99, comma Bangalore. You should be write in single quotes. You should be write in single quotes, close and semicolon. Now 100 is student ID, Raj is student name, marks is this, city is Bangalore. Execute this. One row inserted. Is one row inserted? Yes, please. Understanding everyone? Understanding everyone? Now you write again select star from students. Select star from students. See this, please. I got one row. Yes, brackets are compulsory. Yes. Insert into students, open the bracket, write all the columns, close the bracket. Now the first one belongs to first, second one belongs to second column, third value belongs to third column, fourth value belongs to fourth column. Yes, please. Insert into table name, all the column names, values. Student ID is 100. It's a number data type. So no need to write the quotes. Student name is varchar data type. Write in the single quotes. And marks is number data type. Write without quotes. And Bangalore is varchar data type. Write with quotes. And execute it. One record inserted. Suppose you want to insert one more record. You want to insert one more record. If you want to insert one more record, what you have to do? You just copy. I'll give this video. You can watch again. I will give this video. You can watch again. Where we have to give the spaces exactly? Insert space into space students. For each word, you should give a space. Insert space into space students. Here, no spaces here. After bracket, space, values, space, and give the values. Now you change it. What? 1, 2, 3. RAM 100.15, 100.15, Chennai, and execute it. Select and execute. One more row inserted. Select star from students. You got 2 rows inserted? Yes, please. Did you get 2 rows inserted? Yes or no, guys? Yes, please. Suppose you want one more. Just copy paste again. Copy paste. What is next? 4, 5, 6. 456, Ramesh, 456, Ramesh, 10, Pune, and executed. So one more row got inserted. If I write one more, then write one more. Next is 999, Divya, 1, 2, 3, Goa. Execute, select this and execute it. You want one more? Write one more line. 45, Ramya, 12.1, Mysore, 12.1, Mysore. Execute. Done. Now check select star students at last. Check it out. You got how many records? Can't we insert all rows once? You can, but we will recommend this approach. Okay? Try to use like this only. It's better always. Select star from students if you write. You have 5 records, 4 columns. Correct? You have how many records? 5 records, 4 columns. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear? Yes, please. Does the query executes? Does the query if don't space at a state name? You can give a state name also. You can give a space also. That's not a problem. Are you clear, everyone? Understanding? Understanding? Are you clear, please? So once you insert the records, query means this is the one. This Oracle, how to delete and all we'll see later. Instead of deleting the table and schema, instead of you want Andhra Pradesh, okay, I can write like this. Okay, 200. Please wait. If you want hundreds of records, you need to do like this only. Okay. So Raj space V, you can write it. Okay. So you can write it Vizag. Like this, you can write it. No problem. Execute. See now, select star from students. You got it? Yes, please. Are you clear? Everyone? Understanding? Are you clear, please? So once you insert how to insert the records? To insert the records, you must use these commands. If you want to insert the records into the database, that is Oracle database, you must use these commands. Are you clear? How to insert the records into the table? Afterwards, you have to save the records into the table. How to save the records into the table? You must give commit at last. Commit means save. Are you clear, everyone? Understanding? Yes, please. Are you clear? Yeah. So once you insert the records into the table, you must give save. If you don't give save, if you close Oracle, it will not save the records into the table. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? I'll create one more table. Suppose I will create a table called customers. Create table customers 10. I will create a table called customers. In that cust ID, I will give varchar to 20. Cust name, I'll give cust name. Cust name will be varchar to 50. ID also varchar I am giving. And credit limit, I am giving number of 5. 2 I am giving. Like this I am giving. Okay. So what I am doing? I am creating a table called customers with 3 columns. What is that? Customers table. In the customers table, we have column names, cust ID, cust name, and credit limit. And credit limit. Okay? And credit limit. Yes, please. Understanding? Okay. So what we want is custody is which data type? Varchar 20. Varchar 20. Identify there is any option to save the through menu bar? No. You should use commit only. You should use commit only. Okay. Yes, please. Next is credit name. Varchar 50. Number of 5 comma to this one. Yes, please. Yeah. So customers, suppose I want custody as alphanumerics. Both alphabets and numerics. Both alphabets and numerics we want, suppose. Like this. A123 I want. A123. And also I want a date also. Wait a second. Please wait. I want a date also. I'll create with date also. Please wait. Comma. Date of birth. DOB. DOB is a date data type. DOB is a date data type. Yes, please. Now I have DOB also here. DOB, date data type. Date. The data type is date. Like this I want. I want customer ID 123, A123. Customer name Raj.v. Credit limit 100. Date of birth 01/01/2000. Suppose. Like this I want. 01/01/2000. Now how to write? Write insert statement. Insert into customers. Insert into customers. Custody, comma, cust name, comma, credit limit, comma, DOB, values, comma, DOB, values. How we will write it? You can write values in the next line also. Values. Custody is what? A123. A123, comma, cust name is what? Rajvi. Why I am writing in single quotes? Why I am writing in single quotes? Because custody is a varchar. Cust name is also varchar. Credit limit, I am just giving 100. No single quotes. And date of birth. Date of birth would be in this format only. Date of birth would be in this format only. 01/01/00/2000, or suppose you want 2015. 01/01/01 John 2015. This is a default date format. Date also should be written in single quotes. Date also should be written on single quotes. Execute this. See please. One record inserted. Select star from customer string. Okay. Execute it. One record got inserted. See. Varchar data type. Varchar2 data type will allow characters, numbers, alphanumerics also. Alphanumerics also. That means if custody is varchar, you can give 10 also. RAM 200 12/01/2016. Like this you can write. It will allow just characters also. ABC, Divya, 300. Okay. 25th December 2017. So varchar will allow numbers also it will allow, characters also it will allow, alphanumerics also it will allow, any special characters also. Suppose ABC space DEF star 123. You can write it like this. We'll see please. I'll insert one more record. 10, but it should be in single quotes because it is varchar2 data type. Custody is a varchar2. You must write in single quotes whether whatever it is. You must write in single quotes. For varchar2 data types, for date data types, you must use single quotes. Okay. Suppose this is RAM. Next 200, and the data type is 12 John 2016. Insert. One more record inserted. Suppose one more record. Which one? ABC, Divya. Okay, 300. 22nd, 20th, 25th February 2017. February 2017. You can insert. One more you want. So what is this? This one you can do it here. Yes, please, like this in the single quotes. In the single quotes. Okay. Ramya space R. You can write 10. Okay. You can write 12th June 2016. You can write anything like this. Insert. At last, give a commit. At last, give a commit. Yes, please. Now you write select star from customers 10. See this? You got it? Varchar data type will allow numbers, characters, and special character spaces also. Spaces also. But number data type will allow numbers. Date data type will allow only dates. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Understanding? Yes, please. Clear about it? Yeah. You can write in full year format also. Try. I don't think so. But we need to change it. We'll see that later. As of now, the default, as of now, the default date format in Oracle SQL is DD MON YY. This is the default date format in Oracle SQL. DD MON YY. So try to use like this only while you are inserting. While you are inserting, try to use like this only. Understanding? Yes, please. So did you understand today's concept? Did you understand today's concept, please? Everyone, create first. What you do? First, you create the schema. First, you create the schema and create as many as tables as you can. Create as many as tables you can. First 3 letters of the month. Correct. Yes, please. So create as many as tables you want, as many as records you want, create it. Yes, please. Understanding? Are you clear? Everyone, you should write normal brackets only. You should not write square brackets. While creating, you should use normal brackets only. You should not write square brackets. PLSQL is not required. PLSQL is not required. First learn SQL, then we'll go for, that means if you are interested, you can learn PLSQL. As of now, PLSQL is not required. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Everyone, are you clear? Understanding? Yes, please. In our course, PLSQL, I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to take PLSQL, please. Only SQL. Okay? It's only about SQL. Yes, guys. Are you clear today's concepts? Is my English is understandable? Is the sessions are interesting? If the date of birth is 1984, then 84. You give 84. That's it. You give 84. Okay? So please practice today itself. I will create the practice groups today. Please create the practice groups. Please, I will create the practice groups. Please join in practice groups and try to practice today, tomorrow. Next session will be on Wednesday. Next session will be on Wednesday, please. Yes, guys. Whichever is required for Informatica, I will tell those SQL commands. Next session is on Wednesday. Tomorrow there is no session. So please, what you have to do today is to open rajinformatica.com. Okay. It will take 1986. If you give 96, it will take 1996. Okay. Yes, guys. Yeah, I'll share the notes. I'll share the notes. So what you do is today open rajinformatica.com. Open rajinformatica.com. Okay. After that, open rajinformatica.com. Yes, please. Just a second. What happened to this? Yeah. Log into sign up with Google. Click on sign up with Google and sign up with your Gmail ID. Sign up with your Gmail ID. See, if you paid 15,000, if you paid full fees, then you will be getting access to the below thing. Number one, website access. Okay. WhatsApp group access. Next, material access. Next, material access. And also the next thing is WhatsApp group access, material access, and practice groups access. Practice groups access. So if you don't pay full fee, please pay the full fee and get it. So now you log into Raj Informatica, go to student section, enrolled courses, go to student section, enrolled courses. Then if you paid 15,000, you might have seen 19th batch evening session, open it, okay? And start learning, okay, website access lifetime. Start learning in that. See, lesson 1 I already uploaded. Lesson 1, last before lesson 1, 19th batch already uploaded. Lesson 2, I will upload today. You can watch again and you can download the material here. But you watch lesson 3 to lesson 10 also. You watch lesson 3 to lesson 10 also. Are you clear? Lesson 3 to lesson 10, you watch so that if you come to the next day, it will be easy. If you already watch lesson 3 and if you see and practice, then I will tell the same thing on Wednesday. It will be easy for you to understand. It will be easy for you to understand and practice. So if you have time, watch all the 10 sessions, please. Watch all the 10 sessions. Okay? Yes, guys? Understanding? Yes, please. Are you clear? Everyone, are you clear, please? Are you clear? If you are having any issues in installation, please WhatsApp me 9113861544. Okay? Yes, please. Yeah. Okay. Yes, guys. Are you clear? How can we delete a table? You no need to delete anything now. You create multiple schemas and multiple tables. Create one table. Create one table. Create one schema. Under this schema, create 10 tables. Create one more schema. Under that, create 10 tables. I will tell you how to delete a schema or how to delete a table in the next session. I will tell. Are you clear, please? Understood? So, will you practice today? Will you practice today? Don't waste time. Watch all the 10 videos. Don't waste time. Watch all the 10 videos if you want. Are you clear? Yes, please. Understanding? Yes, guys. Clear about it? Yeah. Okay, guys. Can we use data type instead of number? Which data type? Integer. Yeah, you can. You can. Okay, you can. Yes, guys. So will you practice, everyone? So is my session is understandable? Is my session is understandable to everyone? Yes, please. Is it interesting session? Yeah. Is it interesting session? Yes, please. Yeah. Okay. So please. Okay. So please practice again and again. So we'll take full 2 hours class from Wednesday. We'll take full 2 hours class. Full 2 hours class we'll take from Wednesday. Yes, please. Clear, guys? Okay. Yeah. See you guys. Thank you all. I hope you enjoyed my session. Thank you all. Notes you can download from here under lesson 2. Tomorrow there is no class. Next session is on Wednesday. Next session is on Wednesday. Okay? Yes, please. Yeah. Are you clear? Yes, please. Fine, guys. Thank you all. Bye-bye. See you guys. See you on Wednesday. Thank you all. Good night. Thank you. Yeah.